Hey everyone, welcome back. I got my order in from Jelly Bean. I love the name of her channel. I mean, Jelly Bean! You just gotta love it. But I got there at the end of her sale, so I didn't get a lot. I didn't get much at all, really. But with her prices, you just can't turn it down. I mean, if you are really in the mood for thrifting supplies, you have to check her channel out. Sometimes I go to sales and buy things for bingo prizes. And her channel is called Jelly Bean. So I did get some stickles. I wish she'd have sent an invoice with it so I could tell you guys what I actually paid. It was cheap. But I got some stickles to go with the project I'm working on. She packs everything so nicely. Unlike yours truly, who's by the time I'm doing invoices, it's just like, I just want it out of here. Okay, I did buy these. I think I did buy these for, mostly for, yeah, to put in bingo prize kits. The Hello Autumn is for me, one of them. And then Give Thanks, that'll go bingo. Blessed is for bingo. Farm Fresh is for me. Welcome Fall was mine. And Hello Fall was mine. I love fall. And I got these cute little mini CD file cases to decorate. And because it has a little opening in here, you put the picture in it. I hadn't seen these before. I thought they were stinking adorable, so I'm going to try them. Some large bank note envelopes, and I got these for bingo prize kits, these to go in kits for bingo prizes, and these to go into kits for bingo prizes. And they're really cool looking. They're nice in journals. I mean, you can fold half of it up and make a pocket, or fold it halfway up to make a pocket. But they're just really cool looking. So that's all there was in this shipment. I know you guys are used to seeing me buy more, but like I said, I got there at the end. Let's see what her free giveaway is, if I can get into it. She's so professional. Don't forget, check out Kathy's World every Monday night at 8 p.m. We play bingo for prizes. So this is an antibacterial hand wipe. Cool. A mint. Oh, Queen of Hearts. Oh, look at this nice card. That's going in a journal. Some other little pieces of ephemera. They will go into a bingo kit. And a tea bag. I love tea. Passion. And the bag will go into one of the bingo kits. So, this is the way I do it. When I buy stuff, I say, need them, need them, need them. And all of this will go into the bingo box to make kits with. And all of this I am keeping. So, oh, I also got in my new Art by Marlene Out of This World. And I'm going to do a video on this pad, but this pad is super freaking awesome. I am going to make a art journal using this pad alone. And watercolor paper, I believe. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do watercolor paper or mixed media paper. One of the two. But this will be nothing but my new art journal. So I'm kind of looking forward to doing this, or it could be my daily journal. It may be my creative daily journal. We'll see. Because I love the pictures so much, it may end up being, or actually it could be both, because there's several copies of each page. This would be good for Halloween. And yes, I'm stopped up. I have a head cold again. I love this one. She does such beautiful graphics. Okay, is it just me or does this look like Taylor from Big Brother? Kinda. So yeah, this is the Art by Marlene Out of This World paper pad, and I love it. So guys, that's it for now. Sorry it's not a very long journal, a very long video, but hey, I promised that I would show you thrifty buys, and I can't remember what I paid her. I should have looked it up before I came on, but it wasn't much to get all of this. It was really, 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 really cheap. So check out Jelly Bean's channel, support her, and hit her sales when she has them. And just, you know, buy what you can afford to pay for right then. Don't go overboard. And that way, you know, you can continue to buy. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.